Thank you very much, Portia. Doctor, over to you.
Hello, Portia.
Hello, Daddy.
I think this is a good way to end this section. You've done very well. I love the way you interpreted the song. You've reminded us that it's only by the grace of God. Of course, whatever we have, we will not be satisfied. We still need more. I know someone wants to go to Dubai, though he's traveled several.
Don't forget to dial *365 *300#. Enter the name of your favorite contestant to vote for them. Or you can also simply log on to www.cjtv.com.gh. And each and every vote costs 50 Ghana pesos. And for those of you watching from abroad, please, you can also log on to www.cjtv.com.gh to cast your vote.